Good evening. Today is Monday, December 4, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Super 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 4, 2023, Monday. Here are the SL Super 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Monday, December 4, 2023. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of December 4, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.